For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Adding to the list of controversies surrounding Sputnik V vaccine, Russia's top respiratory doctor resigned from the Health Ministry's Ethics Council. Professor Alexander Chechelin quit the Health Ministry's Ethics Council over gross violations of medical ethics that rushed through Putin's coronavirus vaccine.
This job has not been done. Thus, one of the ethical principles of medicine has been grossly violated: to do no harm. I am depressed by the position of some of our scientists who make irresponsible statements about ready-made vaccines.
Although Alexander Chechelin did not reveal the exact reason behind his resignation, he questioned the safety of the vaccine.
In the case of a drug or vaccine, we as ethical reviewers would like to understand first of all how safe it is for humans. Safety always comes first. How to evaluate it? The vaccines that are being created today have never been used in humans, and we cannot predict how a person will tolerate it.
The experts have sought more research on the vaccine.
It is impossible to determine this without weighing all the scientific facts. Therefore, our number one task is to extract scientific data based on evidence-based medicine in order to understand that the action performed by scientists will not harm a person.
As per reports, Alexander Chechelin had initially objected to the violations during the developmental phase of the vaccine. He had even tried to block the registration of Sputnik on safety grounds. However, the Russian government ignored his objections and went ahead with the production of vaccine. Alexander Chechelin also expressed concerns over the safety of the vaccine.
I was deeply depressed by the position of some of our scientists who make irresponsible statements about ready-made vaccines. Those vaccines that are now being developed by many of our research centers, the criteria for their safety can only be of a short-term nature.
On the other hand, Russia has given its nod to go ahead with the vaccine without even completing the third stage of the trial. While Russia is gearing up to prepare vaccines to tackle COVID-19, Alexander cautioned that the safety of the vaccine cannot be confirmed immediately.
The safety criteria for a vaccine must also be long-term, and this becomes clear only with long-term observation, at least 2 years. Time is needed. Antibodies are different in some situations, and for coronavirus, this is already known. The infection intensifies with some antibodies. It should be known which antibodies the vaccine produces.
Russian President Vladimir Putin has said that a coronavirus vaccine has been developed in his country and has been registered for use. Putin said that the vaccine has been used on one of his daughters. He further emphasized that the vaccine underwent the necessary tests. Putin said that Russia has become the first country in the world to grant regulatory approval to a coronavirus vaccine after less than 2 months of human testing. However, several scientists and experts continue to cast doubts on the efficacy of the vaccine.